at the bird that Eunice is working on. So she's still doing the detailing of the birds. But now she has swapped to using the brush instead.
Yeah, using the brush.
So what is the difference between using a brush and using a spray
All
paint?
the tiny details. Very tiny details.
I think you also use your finger to actually...
Yeah, because back in NAFA, right, like they teach us that Renaissance painters, right, actually use their finger a lot to create more natural effects. So especially like when you paint like living like things, birds, plants, animals, good to incorporate like certain like blends in your hands and fingers.
So is this considered complete or there's more to go?
Oh, still got more. We'll still have some motifs that's going on to the bird.
No, as in the bird. Is the bird more or less completed?
Yeah, details though.
Only the detailing now?